Hey loves, it's your girl Lovely Angel Lady, L to the A to the L. Thank you for tuning into my little channel. Ow. Y'all, I'm super giddy because I'm finally off. I feel like I have been working extremely hard, but I'm not complaining. I'm just happy to be doing what I love. Y'all know I am in my zone, in my lane when I'm doing my videos. So anyway, if y'all want to get the deets on sis right here, sit right there in your seats. Don't you go nowhere. All right, y'all. I want to give you an opportunity to what? Join the LAL fam, of course. You heard me? Yes, join the LAL fam. I'm talking to you, sis. Yes, you beautiful. Go ahead and all you gotta do is press that subscribe button. It is free 99. Don't cost nothing. Nada. It's free. All you gotta do is press the subscribe button. Boom, boom. Tap that alert bell. Bing, bing. And we are good to go. You are official. I get to hug you and squeeze you and call you mine. So anyway, y'all, I'm like super happy and hype and I don't know. Got new contacts. These are the Caribbean brown. I got them from Bouillon. I think it's Bouillon. Just like I got the other ones. So I'll link everything for y'all. These are the lashes that I love. That Disastrous Beauty kind of, you know, she kind of linked me to these. So I saw her rocking these. She shared the link on her channel. And I started, your girl, I fell in love with them. At first I thought they were gonna be too much for me, but y'all, I love these lashes. They're like some of my favorites. Got a little wing going today. I used my like blush. It's a Milani blush. I put that on my eyes today and on my cheeks. So that's why it's kind of like matching. But anyway, y'all, let's get into this video. So sis that I am wearing right now is named Safira. Reminds me of Serafina, but Safira or Safira. Crimped Wave by Outre all day. No other than Outre. Okay. Okay, Outre. Yes. Crimps for the girls. Yes. So Outre did this crimp wave and I am rocking a DRFF honey brown. Let me show you what Safira looks like on the model and on your girl. I'm gonna put her this way. There we go. Stock card on the model, on your girl LAL. Y'all, she is so pretty. I love the color. I love this side part. Look at this part. I am here for the part. I am here for the crimps. Yes, I'm here for the color. So y'all, what do y'all think? Like, y'all know I love bobs. And then the crimps to me just add the special touch. And the hair is so soft. I did use my wave control spray that I always use. I'm going to show y'all how I styled this girl, so I'm not going to be long. She comes in a variety of colors. Look at the assortment of colors that she comes in. So she has a pre-plucked lace part, natural baby hairs. I did take some of the longer hairs, just a few, and cut my own, you know, a few of my own in with the baby hairs that they already have. Just to, you know, I just wanted this little look, so that's what I did. You know, you gotta do you at the end of the day. at the end of the day, you gotta do you. So, my loves, mis amores, I really like this bob. The angle is giving me so much life. Yes, yes, honey, yes, child. So, yeah, your girl LAL is really feeling this one. She is heat resistant fiber, high tech, safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. But yeah, she's very soft. I love the angle, I love the color, I love the style, the side part. I did put some makeup in it. Didn't get no shedding or anything, y'all. It was very soft. Length in the back. Very sexy. Very sexy. Let me show y'all. So here's her angle so y'all can see. Yeah, that's Sis's angle. And then this is just what it looks like around my hairline because how I styled mine. Okay. So, and I did use my hairspray, my Tresemme. It's a 5-level hold. I use that instead of Gotta Be Freeze spray around the hairline. And yeah, y'all don't judge a girl. I started the video just all natural me with my contacts on, of course, but no makeup. So y'all can see, you know, her before, you know, you all slayed. Okay, before you all styling and profiling. You can check sis out because when I first started the video, those clips you'll see I didn't have a makeup yet. But yeah, sis done beat her face and we ready. Y'all ready? Let's go. Where we going, y'all? Cause Rona, she's still tripping. That whole tripping. But anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show y'all how I styled her, and then I'm gonna let y'all kind of just vibe to the music. You know how we do. You heard me? That's how we do up over here. So your girl LAL loves you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, it's not a whole lot to her, but she is cute. That's what I got to say. I love. I'm holding on to sis because she is cute. Like, I'm really feeling this, y'all. Y'all know when I'm feeling good, in the hair that I'm wearing, and I feel good in the hair that I have on. Yes, CC, oui. But y'all, let's go ahead and show y'all how we styled Safira. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. So enjoy, mis amores, and I will see you next time. Adios. Bye-bye.
Looking so surprised, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah. I love you when she want to be my lover, yeah. My little baby go rise on me. My little baby go ride on me. Maria, every time you're looking out for me. Every time you're looking out for me. Love you, yeah, love. Everything go from Maria, yeah. Sensibility, yeah. Pretty girl like a Maria, yeah. Every time we meet up, every time be like, oh, Maria. Every time you look up for me, every time you look up for me, every time you look up for me, every time you look up for me. She no island girl, she from Kilimanjaro, Kiliman, nah, she no island girl, she from Kilimanjaro. From Kilimanjaro. My little baby go rise with me. My little baby go ride with me. Maria, que Maria, Maria, Maria. Every time we lay up, Maria. Everything go from Maria, Maria. Sensibility, yeah, yeah. Pretty girl like Maria, Maria. Every time we meet up, every time we lay up, Maria, Maria.
Oh baby, baby, good at thinking now.